good evening. How are you today?
Hello, teacher. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, very good. So now, by the way, belated Happy Children's Day. Okay, Anna, did you eat your dinner?
Yes, I eat dinner.
Okay, that's great. So are you ready for our lesson?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, good job, Anna. So listen to teacher and look at teacher. So Anna, in this lesson, you will learn the sound of the letters E, D, and V in CVC patterns. Consonant, vowel, consonant patterns. Okay, so now, do you know the sounds of these letters? Do you know the sounds of these letters?
D,
D. Very good. How about this one?
E,
Good job. And the third one?
V,
V. Can you say it? V.
V,
Good job. Okay, repeat after teacher. Anna, say d, dog.
D, D, dog.
E, e, egg.
E, E, egg.
V, van.
V, V, van.
Very good. So those are the sounds of those letters. Can you say it again?
D,
E, e,
E, E.
v, v.
V, V.
Very good. Okay, next. Let's learn the de combination. DE combination. So this is da, eh, eh. Can you say it? Da,
D, D,
eh, eh.
E, E.
Very good. So we can read this one de. Can you see it? De.
Da,
Very good. So now look at the word. So can you say then?
Dan,
Da, de, then.
Da, Dan.
Very good. So what is the sound of this letter again?
D,
Good job. How about this letter?
E.
Very good. And how about this?
N,
No. Okay, very good. A magic star for Anna. Yay, good job. Okay, Anna, let's do this again. Say duh,
D, D,
eh, eh,
E, E,
n,
N, N,
dan.
Dan.
Very good. Okay, next. Let's learn the sound of the combination V-E. Ve. Can you see it? Ve.
The,
Okay. What is the sound of this letter?
B,
B, b. How about this letter?
E, E.
Okay, how can we read this one?
The,
Good job. Very good. Okay, I will now give you a magic star for Anna. A wink. Okay, Anna, how about this one? Can you say vet?
that,
Very good. Okay, can you say it again? V, v,
V, V,
eh, eh,
E, E.
t, t,
T, T.
vet.
vat,
Okay, so in this picture, who is the vet?
he is the vat.
Okay, he is the vet. Very good. Good job again. Okay, last one. Can you say it again? Vet.
Vat,
Very good. Okay, so let's combine the sounds. So look at the first picture and the words. Okay, can you read this one? What is the sound of this letter? D, D.
the,
And this one. Eh, eh.
f, f,
And last letter.
n, n,
And we can read this one by Dan.
dan,
Very good. So this is a Dan. Okay, that is a Dan. Okay, how
dan,
about the second picture? What is the sound of this letter?
vat, v,
B, b, eh,
v,
eh.
f, f, t, t,
Very good. And vet.
vat,
Very good. Okay, so next, let's learn the ED combination. Okay, what is the sound of this letter again?
f,
And this one?
d,
Okay, how can we read this one?
at,
And good job. Okay, so now look at the first picture, Anna. Okay, this is the first picture. So what is the color of this?
it's alright.
Red. Very good. What is the sound of the first letter? R,
R,
R.
R, R,
Very good. And the second letter?
F, F,
And the third letter?
D, D,
Very good. So this is red. R, R, eh, eh, d, d. Red. Can you do it? R, R.
R, 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 F, F, D, D, right.
Good job. Okay, so how about this one? What is that?
Bad,
Good job. So how can we pronounce this one? What is the sound of this letter?
B,
And the
F,
second letter. And next one.
D,
And we can read this by bed.
B, bad,
Bed. Very good. So b, b, e, e, d, d. Bad.
B, B, F, F, D, D, bad.
Very good. So Anna, I have a question. So in this word, which is the vowel? Vowel. So the vowel is eh. Okay, so our lesson is about CVC pattern. So this letter, letter B and letter D, is the C. So C is meaning consonant. Okay, this is consonant, vowel, and consonant pattern. Okay, so these letters are consonants. Always remember that one. And E is the vowel. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so now let's read this again. Anna, say r, eh, eh, d, d, red.
R, r, eh, eh, d, d. Right.
Very good. How about this one? B, b, eh, eh, d, d, bed.
B, b, eh, eh, d, d. Bad.
Good job. Okay, how about this? Let's combine the sounds now. Okay, so look at this one. Can you combine that? How can we combine that one? What is the sound of this?
R, r, eh, eh, d, d. Red.
Good job. And this one.
B, b, eh, eh, d, d. Bad.
Good job. So, Anna, in this picture, where are the consonants? Can you circle the consonant? Is that the consonant or the vowel? Remember the pattern?
O,
CVC pattern. Okay, so
okay.
the CVC is this is the consonant, and this is the vowel, and the consonant. Again, in
Okay,
this
okay.
word, Anna, where are the consonants?
R and D.
Yay! Very good. How about these? Where is the vowel?
Vowel is E.
Vowel. Yay! Very good. So in the alphabet, Anna, how many vowels we have? Okay, I will teach you how many vowels. How many vowels? Okay, we have five. A. Is it five or six? Okay, we have six.
Five and
A,
six.
A,
I, E, A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
And what's
Yeah, this,
next? Okay, just five. Oh, we have five. Okay.
yes.
U. We can pronounce that one. U. Okay. So now, how about here, Anna? Where are the consonants?
B and D.
Yay! And how about the vowel?
E.
Yes, good job again. Okay, next. What are the missing sounds? Look, there are missing sounds here. Can you write it down? What are the missing sounds?
Dan.
Dan. So the missing sounds are d, d,
D.
eh,
The,
eh.
F, F,
Very
the,
good. Okay, I will write it down. Da. Da. Can you say it again? Dan.
Dan.
How about here? What is the
Mm,
missing?
is right.
Red. And the missing letters are E and
D.
D. Can you say it? Ed.
At.
Yeah. So we can pronounce it. We can read this as red.
Right.
Okay. So next. What are the missing sounds? There are missing sounds.
It's a bite.
That very good. So the missing letters are v, v, eh,
B,
eh. Okay, can you read this again? Vet.
Vet.
Okay, so the next picture, what is that? And what are the missing sounds?
It's a bat.
Bad. And the missing sounds are eh, eh, d, d. Okay, so I
And
will write it down. Bad. Okay, can you say it? Eh, d, d.
eh, eh, d, d,
Bad.
at, bat.
Very good. Next, let's read the story now. Okay, so now listen. Hello. Hello, Anna. Can you hear teacher? Okay. Can you hear me now?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, I
Okay. Let's read a story now. Okay. So listen first to teacher. I will read it first. Okay. The pet is with the vet. They are by the bed. The bed is red. At
the pet is with the vet. They are by the bed. The bed is red.
Yay! Very good. So the pet, look at the pet, the cat. Okay, the cat is the pet. The pet is with the vet. They are by the bed. The bed is red. Okay, so look, what sounds or what words has the sound vowel eh? Can you circle it now? What are the words that has the sound eh? Yes, pet,
Pet. Vet.
vet,
Bed.
bed,
Bed.
bed.
Red.
Red. Very good. Good job, Anna. Okay. So this one. So those are the lessons we learned today. So you learned about the sound eh, d, and v. So what sounds did you learn today again?
Today I learned S, D, and B.
Very good. So those are the CVC patterns. So don't forget this pattern. CVC means consonant, vowel, and consonant. So example to that is, okay, I will write it down. Bat, bat, and this is a consonant. Letter P is the consonant. So C. And E is a vowel, V. And T is a consonant, C. So that is a CVC pattern. Okay? So now, do you have any questions to teacher?
No question.
Okay, so I have a question. Can you give me an example of a CVC sound that has a vowel
Mm,
between the consonants? Yes, there are many words that has the yes.
mm,
Hmm? You can think of it.
the um, back.
Bat. Yes, you can
Mm,
use it. Bat. Okay, that
Bat.
is, yes, bat. Another one. Can you give me another? What is another?
Mm,
Mm, or
mm,
a name. There are names that has the vowel sounds. Oh, I have a student name. Okay, I have another student named Ben. Okay,
Bat. Yeah,
so
yeah.
Ben, yeah, okay, you can use that. Another one is web. Do you know what is web?
I don't know.
Web. Okay, I will send it to you. Web. That is a web. Look at your chat box.
Oh,
Yes. How about
okay.
wet? Do you know
What?
wet? Yes?
I don't know.
Okay, wet is this one.
Okay.
Yes,
Right.
that is
Yeah.
wet. Another one. Yes. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Eh, eh.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, so those are the words that has the vowel sound Okay? So, I hope you learned something with teacher Anna. So don't forget this homework. You have a homework. Try to find another words that have the pe, ve, or ed combinations. Okay? It's just simple. You can just search that online. You can see it many words online. Do you search online also when you are having a hard time to study your lessons at school?
Yeah,
Yes?
yes.
Yes. So, did you go to school now or not yet?
I go to school today.
Oh, wow, what a nice one. Go back to school now. I miss going to school. I miss asking for an allowance to my parents.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, Anna, what did you do last June 1? It is a Children's Day.
Oh, um, I watch it moving.
Oh, because it is a holiday. Wow.
Yes,
It's
it's so
very
happy.
nice. It's Children's
Yes,
Day. I,
yes.
I thought that, oh, it's very nice in China. It's Children's Day today. So I greeted all my students, Happy Children's Day. and they
Yes,
and they offer me a cake with a very big cake. They celebrated it. How about
yes.
you? Did you also eat cake?
Yes, I eat cake. Mm,
Wow, it's nice. So how was your school now?
Um, it was good.
Okay, that's great. When will be your summer vacation?
Mm, summer vacation.
Yes.
Mm,
When will be your break?
I not have summer vacation.
Oh, you don't have summer vacation? A
Yes.
break? A yearly break?
Um.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay, Anna. You can just study at home and spend time with
Yes.
your family. Yes. Okay. So that's all for today, Anna. Don't forget to review and do this homework. So you did a great job today. Yay! A magic star for Anna. Okay. Goodbye,
Thank
Anna.
you.
See you
Goodbye,
again at
teacher.
5.